Hi, the Danger holiday is coming very soon. So today I'm going to talk about the Danger Festival in two parts. The first one is vocabulary and the second one is the story of the Danger Festival. What is the Danger Festival and how people celebrate it? And what is the meaning of the Danger for Myanmar people so that you can practice listening and speaking with me. So, Plaiga, Dine, the Danger Puero Nepatapiro, vocabulary lay, story lay, go, So, let's go with the vocabulary first. But mouse on Salonga wrote the danger bona. The danger car of Yamamu Peter to a bebata sagana bebio, the danger lobepiore, Tabi met Nale and Biotinesoin, the lighting festival of Piolo Yare. The danger puega, Lido, the Waring Kalai Soma, looked up web Peter to a Waring Kalago Jaro applied the Buddhist land law correpono. Nadakuga Jaro Labi ni Pite, Labi ni Jaro applied full moon day law correpono. Nadakuga Jaro firecrackers raga piakbono. For example, when I was a kid, I used to play with firecrackers in the danger. Nangingerunga, the danger ma di Biaudine solid sota shire bono. Not at the longer jar of fireworks. Fireworks raga Mishumi Bamba, the Wujaro applied a set of syrup buffnet yare. For example, hey, let's set up fireworks. Fireworks Mishumi Banlidi. How ya out bono? Not at the longer jar of sky lantern bono. Sky lantern gajar applied a release, launch, fly, send up syrup buffly in a yare. For example, come and join us. We're going to fly sky lanterns. Ngaro la join ba ngaro sky lanterns lady mi bong lady lomalo bono. So natku ga jaro sparklers. Sparklers raga mishu time bono. Kids are playing with sparklers. Clay ga mishu time lady ne so ni jare. Now taka jaro string lights, electric bulbs bono. String lights raga mijo, electric bulbs ga miti bono. For example, buildings and houses are decorated with string lights and electric bulbs. So, any as how they go, mijo, mitili in a last in Tajare. Now, Tatalonga oil lamp. Oil lamps raga, simi quapa, candle, piandine, candle lights of piandine me bono. Now, flowers, garaludine tide, bam bono, bango solo rapide. Aquajaro the elders bono. The elders raga played a Luigi go correct. Luigi go, you te pay, sorry, you te pay, pay respect, pay homage, don't pay lo yare. Luigi have piampira, which are blessings. County piampire, pocket money, mopo piampire, not about candy, sweets bono, the jalong lady piampira mu bono. So now on the kuni netaro, less songs and like a gift or present no nepiolo yare, especially the danger gift, the danger present lo piolo yare bono. Also in applied vocabulary gatima pita babi. So let's go to listening. So let's start with the second part. The Danger Festival, also called the Lighting Festival of Myanmar, is one of the country's most beautiful and meaningful celebrations. It's a 3-day holiday held on the full moon day of the 7th Burmese lunar month. In the Western calendar, it's usually around the 2nd or the 3rd week of October. The 3 days include the day before the full moon day itself, and the day after the full moon day. The Danger marks the end of Buddhist land, and it celebrates the time when the Buddha descended from heaven after preaching the Abhidhamma to his mother Queen Maya and the gods. To welcome the Buddha's descent, people light candles and lantern, creating a warm and spiritual atmosphere across the country. During this festival, buildings, houses, pagodas, and trees are decorated with string lights, electric bulbs, and candles, making every place shine brightly. Children enjoy playing with firecrackers, while young people set off fireworks and fly sky lanterns into the night sky. Families gather together, visit pagodas, make donations, bringing offertories to monasteries. The Danger is also a special time to pay respect and show gratitude to parents, teachers, and elders. Younger people usually bring small gifts or fruit, and in return, elders give blessings, pocket money, or sweets and candy. It's truly a time of joy, gratitude, and togetherness. In the Danger evenings, people walk around and hang out with friends and enjoy the lively festival atmosphere. Everywhere you go, you can see smiling face, bright lights, and laughter. Unfortunately, in recent years, the festival has not been celebrated as widely in some areas due to different and difficult situations. However, the Danger still shines brightly in the heart of Myanmar people as a symbol of light, respect, and happiness. Thank you so much. It's all about the Danger Festival. Bye-bye.